In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages and a menu to your Wix website. This process is quite straightforward and a great way to enhance your website's functionality and navigation. So let's dive in and simplify it for you. First, you'll want to navigate to the Wix website editor. This is the platform where all the magic happens and where you can customize your website to fit your vision. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the dashboard that offers a wide array of tools to modify and perfect your site. Next, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left. Here, you'll see an option called Pages and Menu. Clicking on it will bring up a list of all the existing pages on your website. This feature is crucial as it allows you to keep your content organized and easily accessible to your visitors. Once you've opened the Pages and Menu section, the next step is to add a new page. Look for the option that says Add Page and give it a click. Adding a page is essential because it allows you to expand the content and purpose of your website without altering the existing structure. When you click on Add Page, you'll be presented with various templates and options, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's choose a blank page. Selecting a blank option gives you a clean slate to work with, which can be super handy for creative freedom when you're designing something from scratch. Now, you'll notice a field where you can type in the page name. It's important to give this page a descriptive and relevant name that clearly signals to your visitors what they can expect when they click on it. A clear and concise page name enhances user experience and searchability on your site. Once you're satisfied with the page name, go ahead and click Done. With your new page created, it's time to add it to your site's menu. Head back over to the Pages and Menu section and look for the Add Menu Item option. This function is key to ensuring that visitors can easily find and navigate to the different sections of your site. Next, you'll need to choose a menu item. This is where you decide how your new page fits contextually within your site's navigation. Spend a moment considering where it should be placed in your menu for optimal access by your viewers. Finally, after deciding which page to link, click Done to complete this process. Your new page is now part of the menu, ready for your visitors to explore, and there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added a page and incorporated it into the menu of your Wix website. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to expand the capabilities of their site, and it can greatly improve user engagement. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.